Welcome, and thanks for taking the time to view our presentation. This paper is about artificial intelligence, legibility, design, and research. AI is a metaphor. It's a metaphor for humanity's ancient desire to imitate and create life. While our attempts to imitate the wonder of intelligence have failed, through those failures, AI's metaphor has grown to represent many more ideas, including robotics, expert systems, talking donkeys, neural networks, predictions, modelling, data science, machine learning, deep learning. But we live among the two sides of AI's definitional dualism. By this we mean that AI is science fiction. AI is Chappie, Skynet, HAL, or AI, robot. AI is the singularity, superintelligence. AI is forever a possibility, but it's never a reality. But on the other side, AI is a reality. AI is mundane. AI is everywhere, and it's really very real. It's Facebook, it's Google, it's your phone, it's in your house. AI is unavoidable. This everyday AI feeds off data which we leave around us, electronic traces of our lives and our interactions. The first step in making AI legible is to understand this dualism. AI is a grand dream and ubiquitous reality all at the same time. Accepting and apprehending these simultaneous truths is our foundation. But what else is there to say about AI and legibility? What would it mean for the AI in my camera, my speaker, or my car to be legible? And do we even care? Well, we do care. Almost daily there is a new ethical, responsible, just, accountable, trustworthy, private, reliable framework or guideline, rulebook or checklist, system, configuration, architecture or policy or standard for AI. And each one is a reflection of the fact that we care. But for these to work, legibility is key. To see what is right, first we must see. And we see signs and symbols everywhere. They're a staple of our world. Stop, go, don't, do, love, hate. Each one communicates to us. It makes things that might not be, but need to be, legible. In computing, these icons are commonplace forms. They quickly tell us what we need to know. So, what would or could or should icons for AI look like? What might we learn by trying to create them? And what are the right questions to ask, explore, reframe, and research? The crux of research through design is to create something, and through the process, to learn. In the case of the socio-technical challenges around AI, research through design is a particularly useful approach because it allows us to reflect the aforementioned proliferation of guidance and frameworks for responsible, understandable, or ethical AI. It allows us to incorporate ideological and technical elements alike, and it allows us to do this while tangibly moving the conversation forward through a material engagement with the issues. In the sea of complexity arising from the relationship between AI, data, and people, design research has the unique ability to materialize new meaning and ways of looking. As we began the design process, it became evident that AI's dualism is reflected in the prevailing imagery. Brains, neurons, and visions of inanimate machines, combined with the fleshiness of humans, dominate the space. So we thought about this. Elsewhere, we considered how famous marks convey meaning symbolically. Safety, security, quality, good value, or with good values. So our designs began to take shape in three different ways: pictorials, brands, and abstract symbols. To these styles we explored how 6 concepts, each one a factor of an AI system's legibility, may be communicated. Processing location, scope of learning, training data provenance, training data type, and how much work am I contributing to the system simply by using it, an idea we termed intrinsic labour. AI processing takes place on board. AI processing takes place in the cloud. The AI is static, no learning through use. The AI learns continually through use. proprietary training data unknown, open training data, photographic, positioning, audio, and biometric training data. Our explorations led us to test the prototypes in situ, in combination, and across different styles. These designs are not ends, but they're means. They're means to find, ask, and illuminate the relevant questions. Subsequently, we expanded on the prototypes through evaluative workshops, deeper design fictions, and refining which AI attributes are relevant in different contexts. The next trick is to extend the border of our magic circle, the realm of the designs, fiction, and the research, and to encompass real contexts, people, data, and consequences. The work continues. AI has become part of the fabric of our world. It's canny and uncanny all at the same time. The race to discover, disseminate, and dissect what is acceptable AI is on. This work's a manifesto for design researchers' role in that race. And with that said, if we look beyond the facade of AI's definitional dualism and the buzz of AI's own hype, then this is really about how design can help mediate between technology and society. Thank you very much for listening. We invite comment or critique and hope you enjoy the paper.